Bharatiya Janata Party has strongly criticized National Conference President Farooq Abdullah, despite being a supporter of India, against the wishes of the Kashmiri people, for his proposal about Pakistan-India talks on the future status of Jammu and Kashmir. BJP General Secretary Tarun Chugh, in a statement issued in Srinagar, labelled Farooq Abdullah a pawn in the hands of Pakistan. Killer militia raised by the Indian Army in the name of village defense guards to eliminate the pro-freedom leaders and activists and terrorize the Muslim population has started receiving enhanced weapon and firing training at special army camps in different areas of the Rjouri district. The army has set up these training camps to provide special weapon training to the village defense guards across the district. Training camps were organized at the multiple locations within the Rjouri district. Indian troops continued their violent cordon and search operations in different parts of the territory. The troops and paramilitary personnel continued operations in Rajouri and Poonch district. The troops also launched operations in different areas of Srinagar, Islamabad, Pulwama, Kulgam, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipur, Budgam, Kishtwar, Doda, Ramban and Kathua districts. Health experts have revealed that extensive mining, construction of dam and setting up of colonies for Indian soldiers and employees and other such environmental degradation factors being carried out by the Indian government are contributing to the increasing cases of cancer and other diseases in the occupied Kashmir. Doctors Association Kashmir President Dr. Nisarul Hassan, in a statement, said environmental pollution is behind a spike in cancer which has reached epidemic proportions in the Kashmir Valley. Hurriyat leaders and organizations have condemned the Indian government for building mega power projects in the Kishtwar district in violation of the Indus Water Treaty, besides being exploitation of the Kashmir's resources. The leaders and organizations made the statement in reaction to the announcement by Dr. Jitendra Singh, Indian Minister of State, that New Delhi is going to complete the region's major power projects generating around 6,000 megawatt in Kishtwar. Kathua Municipal Council Chief Executive Officer has been attached after the demolition drive that led to widespread protest in the district. The protests by the traders were held after the authorities damaged a commercial complex in the district. An unidentified body was found in Samarbagh area of the Nogam, Srinagar district today. The police party recovered the body. The identity of the deceased has not been established yet. All parties Hurriyat Conference held a meeting in Islamabad today to memorize the services of senior Hurriyat leader and chairman of Jammu and Kashmir People's Political Front Muhammad Musaddiq Adil for the Kashmir cause on his first death anniversary today. Chairman of Jammu and Kashmir People's Political Front and veteran all parties Hurriyat Conference leader Fazal Haq Qureshi had paid glowing tributes to the deceased.